Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card in Leica D Lux 7. So you'll need to get the SD card in this adapter, then open the lock on the downside of the camera. It's right here, so there's a lock, simply slide it to the left. And here you will have the access to your SD card, and if you already have one put on, simply click it to remove it, and to reinsert it, put it in a place like this, and lock it. Then close the gap and then lock again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.